Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. New Airstream model. It is a World Traveler 22RB. I'll get inside and show you. Wanted to show you the badging. Very cool RV. So let's get inside, out of the weather and the noise. And this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service and parts. And again, it's the 22RB 2026 World Traveler, and kind of a unique and interesting design. 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, freezer on the bottom, stainless steel sink, and these cabinets are rather interesting. Drawers and cabinets. There you have your famous Airstream utensil caddy, and there's an interesting release on the inside of the cubby. There's some additional storage. Then you have your wastebasket, and just really a unique design. A drawer there, also flip down storage, and then this drawer, and then you have this other drawer here. So really kind of, I haven't seen that before. Microwave oven, fuse box, power control shut off on the bottom. Then we have this cabinet for your hang-up clothes. Your sleeping area, we have storage below, and then the rather unique mattress setup. We have storage above, exhaust fan. We have a window here, these 3 windows all fold out, as does this window, and the rear window fold out, which is unique for Airstream. Flat screen TV. Then you could put spices, towels, sponges, whatever you want there. And then you have your medicine cabinet, which I'll go ahead and show you since I mentioned it. And then you also have, trying not to leave my fingerprints all over the glass, a cubby here for storage, your toilet setup, sink. You have additional access to the plumbing and a little bit of storage. Shower setup. You have a footrest, so you can sit down or whatever you wanted to do. I believe I mentioned the sink. You have a mirror that folds out, plus you have that mirror. You have a towel bar here. And then you have your dining area that you can also accommodate some additional sleeping. And this is a show special. Bill Thomas is going to have an RV show here shortly. So rather unique. Again, World Traveler 2026 22RB. Thanks again for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.